Right guys, thank you for joining the Nation. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to create calendar event through your Google Calendar. So first of all, you need to log on to your Google browser and sign in. After sign in, on your top right corner there will be 9 dotted area next to before your sign in option, Google account, Google your Google account, and click calendar. Right, so this is entire June month calendar will be popping up here, and there's a create tab, and here you can see on your right hand side corner add-ons, get add-ons, Google Maps, contacts, taskbar, and some of the notes. So on your left, on your top left, you can see the create button, and once you're clicking, there will be two options will be popping up, event and the task. If you need to create event, first of all you need to add the title here, this, and you need to mention what is the date and time, and you need to select the exact time period, and if you need to if you need to conduct this meeting day by day at the same time, you can customize it, or week by week, or based on the preference you can customize this meeting. And here you can add the guest, and here you can, especially if you need to conduct this meeting through the Google video conferencing, you can add that also. And if not, you can if you are going to conduct it through the Zoom platform, you can under the description bar you can mention all the details with the Zoom link and the passcode, and if there's any documents need to be attached, you can attach through here, and based on that you can save the event. Right, let's say, okay, I'm discarding this. Let's say you need to create a task. It's more similar like the event. Again, you need to add the title, and especially you need to mention the description, and you can save the task. If you have a especially you need to mention whatever the description or the special message here, and you can save the once you click in the save option, you can create that task. So if you need to create the reminder, again you need to mention the title, select the exact time and the date, and you can customize this daily, weekly, or monthly, or annually, or based on the preference you can create the reminder. So this is basic idea I need to provide you on how to create event through the Google Calendar. So this is specifically benefited for especially the people who are starting their internships, and the people who are starting their career as their new journey. So these are the basic tips which you can use this Google Calendar effectively. So hope you have some kind of knowledge here. If you have any doubt or the question, you can drop it through the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So guys, thank you for joining the Nations once again, and subscribe my channel, and I'll definitely provide you the most important career related videos. So see you soon with another video episode. Thank you.